Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you how to remove the interior door panel. This video applies pretty much only to Dodge Journeys made from 2009 to 2010. In 2011 there was a bit of a facelift, so I cannot guarantee that the door panel is completely the same and the screw locations will be the same. That's why I'm saying if you have a newer one there might be a small difference. To start removing the door panel, first you will have to pop out the window switch and then remove a couple of screws which are holding the door panel in place, and then you can just pretty much pry it out. Now on newer models the switch is a bit different, but I am pretty sure that the process on how to remove and replace it will be the same. All you have to do is pry out the complete switch and then just unplug it and install the new one. So there is no screws to remove or anything like that. Now the best tool to use would be something like this, a plastic trim remover. That way you won't do any damage to the door panel. But if you don't have it, you can use something like a flat screwdriver, but in that case you have to be more careful not to damage this plastic around it. In my case I will be using a flat screwdriver just because I can't really get inside here with my plastic remover tool. So I'll just pry it underneath and pop it out, just like this. And that's pretty much all. Now you can just lift it straight up and the switch will just pop out. You will have two electrical connectors to disconnect. That's also quite easy to do. You will have like a black clip right here which you want to press and then just wiggle that connector out. Small connector, it's the same idea. There's a black clip right here which you want to press and then just pull that connector out. And this is how you can remove the window regulator switch. Once you have removed the power window switch, you will have one screw just behind the door handle. So what you want to do first, you want to remove this small black cover. You can do that with a flat screwdriver. There will be like a small opening just up here. So you want to push your screwdriver in and pull this cover towards yourself. Just like this. And in there you will have a 10mm screw which you want to remove. Okay, once this guy is out, there is actually one more Phillips screw to remove right here next to it. Once that screw is out, now you can actually completely remove this plastic cover that's on the door handle. So by removing this plastic, you won't have to deal with this inner door handle. You'll be able just to pull the panel off the door without touching the handle. And now next thing to do, you will also have one screw just inside here. So you also want to pry out like a small black cover, a small black plate which is right here. So just want to open this cover, and behind it there will be one screw and it's a Torx T30. So you will need a Torx socket and a small extension to reach it. Okay, so this is the screw, Torx T30, and once you have removed it, you can also pry out this plastic piece here and get it off the way. So there is nothing else holding the door panel in place, so the next thing to do is to pop it out all around. The door panel will be held by a bunch of plastic fasteners, which, like I said, you just have to pop out. The best tool to use would be a plastic trim remover, but unfortunately I couldn't find mine. So you can use like a flat screwdriver, something like this, or whichever you can find handy and useful. So pretty much just go all around and keep popping out that panel. Just like this, see? And I will show you here how these fasteners look like. So you see, you have to just pop it out from these holes. There's a bunch of them all around the door panel. And that's pretty much everything you have to do. Once the door panel is completely loose, you want to lift it straight up, just because, so you don't break this door lock pin. So just grab it here, and you want to, like I said, pull it straight up and remove it from the door. Okay, and this is how you can remove the inner door panel on a 2010 Dodge Journey. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.